This video is going to be all about loops in PHP for beginners. So we're going to do with the while loop and the for loop. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the for loop and put in the between the PHP markup. So the keyword is for. So we put for, or we'll put parentheses as well in there. So what we do, we'll put parentheses, then inside of that we put in our $, which is for a variable, and we're going to make the variable I. So I equals 1 and semicolon, and I, of course the $, again, I, and it's going to be less than 9 on this one, and semicolon again, and we're going to increment that with the $I as well. So the next bit is in the syntax is the I++. So what we're going to do there to get our to read out is print, or you can put echo. So print, and we're going to put that in speech marks, and we can have a semicolon there, but at the end, but $I, and then what we do is we put a semicolon there at the end. So that's the basic syntax for that, and what we're going to do is we're going to save that, and we're going to go into our inbuilt browser in here. So we're just going to have a look at this and see what this looks like, and that doesn't show because it doesn't have localhost. So in the address it needs localhost, and if we just pop that in and localhost, and there we have it. So that's how we read that, and there's your thing. So now we're going to do on while loops. And in while loops, the syntax for this is between your PHP markup is $x, which is our variable, equals 1 semicolon, and now we're going to have a while, which is a keyword, and a parenthesis. And in between that, what we're going to do is $, again, variable x less than 9, and that's going to have curly brackets, and that is the syntax for this. So let's put that in, and there's our curly brackets, and in between this what we do is we're going to print that as well. So when the computer starts to catch up, print, and then in between that we're just going to put in our speech marks, and we're going to put in our $x, which is the variable, then the semicolon, and then we have to increment that somewhere. So what we do is we put a $x plus and a semicolon again at the end, and the semicolons is always very important, like I've discussed in other videos on PHP. And what we're going to do here is we want to put that up again, the browser, and again it doesn't work because we haven't got a local host, but that should go to 8 again, and reload that, local host, and there we have it. So that's how you do while loops and the syntax for both of them. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening.